Yo, what's up guys? I've been testing these Tozo T10 new version 2025 wireless earbuds, and let me tell you, they are legit. I'm impressed. And for the price, game changer. Okay, let's break it down. So this is a review of the Tozo T10, the upgraded version of the earbuds. And we're gonna see if they're any good. I have to be honest, the company sent me the earbuds and they asked me to do a review, to do an honest review for you guys. And I want to see how a musician like myself is using a product such as this. So let's try and check it out. The package includes, because of your regular mumbo jumbo stuff, but yeah, this is it, the upgraded version of the earbuds. First off, let me tell you, the sound is crisp. Deep bass, clear highs, and no distortion. Even when you listen to them on the really high setting, no distortion at all. And I'm told they are waterproof. I haven't tried, I haven't put them in water testing, but evidently you can, you know, if you're sweating, if you're working out in the gym or doing some kind of wet activity, no problem. I wouldn't go swimming in the swimming pool with these. No, bad idea. Or take a shower, probably not. But yeah, if you get it under rain, no problem. And the best part, guys, 20 bucks. You get a lot of value for $20, I think. At least in current pricing. I know prices go up and down, but right now you can get them for $20 on Amazon in the United States. That's a deal. The battery life, haha, no worries. You get something crazy like 10 hours on a single charge. Plus, the case gives you up to like something like 55 hours, according to their website, which I think is pretty crazy. It's mental. Yeah, I've been using these for multiple days now without even thinking about charging. Who does that? I'm also using these quite a bit when I play, like as monitor in my ear, or just to hear the accompaniment. Works very well. Yeah, it's awesome. Also, I'm not a super technical guy, and it's important to me when things get connected on their own without me having to tweak too much, you know? And that's nice. You open the case and they connect to your phone right away. I'm using an iPhone, but you know, Android phones are, I'm sure, just the same. Anyway, it connects real quick. You get an app with the interface where you can adjust things even more if you like more bass, more you know, higher sounds. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Okay, a few words about controls. If, say, you're listening to music and you want to skip to the next track, okay? Next track, double tap the right earbud, chick chick, and it goes to the next track. If you want to go back, then double tap left earbud and it will go back one track. It's gonna skip back. Tuk tuk, goes back, okay? If you want to stop it, just pause the music for a second. Tap once, boop, it stops it. Okay, to answer the calls, there you got an incoming call, and you have the earbuds in your ears. Just tap the right earbud, and it will answer the call. But if you want to hang up, say you're done talking, just tap and hold the right earbud, and it's going to end the call. If you're looking for affordable earbuds, this is it. You can't go wrong. And right now, you can get a really good deal if you use the link below and also support the channel, which I think is pretty awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it. And I hope to see you in the next video. Let me know what earbuds you guys are using. I'm always curious what kind of stuff people are using, and maybe I can learn something new from that too. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for your support.